Maya,
Yes.
something I love about your face is your Cupid's bow.
Oh, thanks,
the little
girl.
dip that you have in your lips.
Thank
It's so
you.
beautiful.
I'm actually gonna play around with it today. I'm using this lacquer red lip.
Okay.
And I usually use this on all my clients. I'm so excited to try it out for myself though.
Oh, very
Yes.
cool.
What are you gonna use?
So I'm gonna be doing a vibrant cat eye look,
That's
an
your
eyeliner.
staple. I love that.
Yeah, I love doing that. You know, I've actually been doing it since I was like 13.
Oh.
It's definitely what got me into makeup is just doing a liquid eyeliner. So who's gonna go first?
Let's rock, paper, scissors for it.
All right.
Ready? Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh,
That's you, girl. So I'm gonna get started then. First things first, I wanna start with my foundation. Everybody loves a liquid foundation, especially if you wanna go for that dewy look. I just go ahead and apply with fingers and dab. So today we're using the NYX Vivid Brights. You have to have this in your kit. It's so bright and fun. So you're gonna take it from the corner of your eye and you wanna go up towards your eyebrow. So Maya, what do you think? Layer 1 done. Now we're gonna do the next layer. We're gonna do a mini wing that we just did inside. This one's gonna be a bright green. Bam, you can't be afraid to go all out. What do you think?
I love it. It's so
Yeah?
vivid and great.
Thank you.
Yes. You know what? I think we should do like a little liner dot action. What do you think?
Ooh,
Using
yeah.
pink?
Yes,
Should we?
That's
Okay.
a good idea.
Why not? It completes the whole liner. What do you think?
I love it.
Yay.
Thank you. What a
Okay.
great idea. So I'm gonna use a volumizing black mascara. And there you have it. Your eye look is complete. Easy peasy. To finish off this look, I do want to add a metallic liquid lipstick.
All right. I love this makeup on you. You look so cute.
Thank you.
I love it.
So it's now your turn. Let's
Yes,
see what
it's
you
my
got.
turn. Okay. So I'm gonna use the same foundation as her, but my shade is 220. Now I'm gonna go in and use a silver eyeshadow, just right in the inner part of my eye. Now I'm gonna apply a glitter eyeliner right in the center of my eye. And I like to let it dry just a little bit and then go back in so it's a little bit brighter. So now I'm gonna finish my look with a voluminous black mascara. Okay, so now I'm moving in for my lip moment, and I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Color Rich liner in red. Okay, girls, so now I'm gonna move into my lacquer. This is the Maybelline's Vivid Hot Lacquer, and it's ultra pigmented and it has high shine. What do you think?
Ooh, love it.
Love it?
I have an idea.
Okay.
Let's do a little highlight on your Cupid's bow.
Okay.
Bam, bam, bam.
I love it!
Ooh, yes, we look great.
Are you ready to conquer the world?
Yes, I feel powerful and ready. Let's do it.